each and every step, control, my control should be there. So the control should be in my hand. Then obviously, for every step, approval purpose, they are going to approach you. Suppose you are in busy, you are in meeting, you are in busy. Until you came back, that person so has to wait. Remember this one. Suppose 2 days or 3 days you are on leave. So your approval is required to proceed further. Then automatically what will happen is, yes, the process, the system, okay, they have to wait. Like sometimes what will happen, we are having some important work, okay, with the bank manager sign must be required on this. But bank manager went for the training purpose of other. Until he's getting, this file is in pending. Remember this one, until he's coming back, this file is pending. It's always a bigger problem. It's going to create the bottlenecks. The growth is going to be slowed down. Remember, right? So we have to trust the people. We require to delegate the control. Don't worry, complete judge. They have to leave that activity, man. So if there is any problem, then guide them. At least second time. Okay, that problem is not going to be repeated. Guide them. But don't do micromanagement. If you are trying to do micromanagement, then definitely it is the bigger bottleneck, okay, for your growth. Remember this. There are, our enemies are there. I told in the last sessions. One is trying to get perfection, trying to do everything with the full perfection. Perfection is a trap. Perfection is a trap. Remember this one. Motivation is a trap. Motivation, okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, or 1 day, 2 days, it's going to work, but slowly it's going to fade out. That's why instead of motivation, you require to depend on systems. You require to create, design a system. Based on that system, you require to work. Okay, like the third, micromanagement. Micromanagement. Never do micromanagement. Each and every small thing also, I have to do that. I require to do that. Everything what happened, it should be with my awareness only should be happen. Then automatically you are not trusting the people. You are not trusting the people. Okay. So you are not delegating complete responsibility. Then you never going to get freedom. Then your growth, yes, definitely is going to be slowed down because of this mindset. Micromanagement. We should not do that. Earlier case, each and everything we require to monitor. Earlier, my mindset was each and everything should require to monitor. Each and every activity, whatever happened in DURGASOFT, compulsory. I should aware all those activities like this is the thing, what my mindset. Okay, like it's a very worst kind of mindset, man. Delegate the responsibility. Trust the people. Even without you, the things are going to be happen normally. Like that, you require to build the systems. If you delegate complete responsibility, now those people will become leaders, man. You are empowering the people. You are empowering the people. That thing must be highly recommended. Okay, like so micromanagement. Don't do that. Leave the control. Don't feel I'm losing the control. Okay, I'm losing the control. It doesn't. You are clearing the path for your big success kind of thing. Empowering the people. Empowering the people. Okay, like that. So control creates bottlenecks. Control create bottlenecks. While empowerment creates leaders. Let them do that completely, man. I'm giving full freedom. In what way you want to do that? Do that. Just I want this result only. Then they own the thing. They are going to take care. But each and every step you require to confirm. Each and everything you require to confirm. It's always a bigger problem, right?